My father started the business in 1984. He is an immigrant from Ecuador. My mother's from Chile.
So my father was a big part of it. So I technically started the company, but it was a big influence and also a big help in the beginning.
My husband came from a family of jewelers. So his grandfather was the first one who truly started the business.
My brother started the firm in 1970. Firm grew from that period. I came along in 77.
So my grandfather, Alfred Cinzeri, who was a Hackensack native and World War II veteran, he founded the company in 1945.
So my grandfather joined the industry back in the 50s. My father went to work under his father in that company. My grandfather retired, my father left, ultimately opened up or bought our company, Rotator Staffing Services.
So the company actually started back in 1972. It wasn't my family. My mother actually bought the business. My parents bought the business. I guess it was in 87.
Fortunately, our father started the company in 1981. My brother Damon, who is he's the eldest born, and Kara joined the company probably 2004, 2005 timeframe. I came a couple years later.
Goes back to my country 13 years ago. So on that time I was reading I was a normal employee. And then I started to create a new business.
He started working at night as a cleaner. He worked on a part-time job, and said, I got to do this full time, 1977, and started R&R Maintenance.
We didn't just jump into the business as managers. We went out in the field and we dug ditches and cleaned tanks and painted dumpsters.
Everybody in this company, that as they make decisions or handle things, they handle things in a way that is 100% in line with how we handle business and how we do business and how we treat people.
That no matter how big the store will eventually grow, that family feeling will always be a cornerstone.
When it comes to the family itself, you have to look at things through a lens of love, not cutthroat financials.
And my boys are here working. See if they want to continue on the family business.
We believe in legacy. We want to continue to provide a higher level of service to our clients for many generations to come.
My dad has always taught me this, to have consistency and discipline in everything that we do.
And we've spent a lot of time conversations around how our spouse is treated, how our children treated, how are our children now treated in the eyes of the business.
And we've got a really dedicated team here. Everyone's really a family here. So there's a lot of really exciting stuff ahead.
Since 1945, several members of the Cinzeri family have been deeply involved in different aspects of the company.
And one of the things that makes us a family business is not just that the four of us work here together that are in the same family, but we have at least 4 other families where 2 or more people work here.
And my father always said, this country has the opportunity that other countries don't have. And if you work hard enough and if you're persistent, you can achieve anything that you want and nothing can hold you back.